Hi, this is Cindy Fodor with Stamp the Love. I wanted to pop on here real quick and just let you know about a fabulous event that I have coming up on from July 7th through the 9th. Um, I've sent out emails to all of my customers who are on my email list and all of my downline, but I'm not sure if everybody understands it. So I thought I would come on here and just sort of explain how it works. Um, I am so excited about it. It is my annual, not your average stamp party, is what I'm calling it. Last year we had a fabulous in-person event, and of course this year things have changed that a little bit, so it will not be completely in person. So here's the deal. First of all, I want to tell you what you get. Actually, I want to show you what you get when you sign up for this class. Oh, that was there. Okay, so this is showing you the packet of supplies that you will receive. This is the 20 plus product, or $28 plus worth of product. This is our new brass foil paper. I have to say that really slow because I always say it wrong. This is our brass foil, which is absolutely stunning. It's really shiny. It is so, so beautiful. And then this is our pack of Old World designer paper. And I have the price on each of these things so that you can see what the prices are of the things that are in your pack. You will get a half a pack of this because the other half will be cut up in your supplies for your make and takes. And then the ribbon, the faux suede ribbon that you'll use along with the antique corners and slides. These are just so beautiful. They really set off a card in a rich tones. The ribbon fits the slides perfectly. So those are the things that you will get besides what you'll be entered in. So the first thing that you'll be entered in is our bingo. So you'll get one free game of bingo on Thursday night at during our Zoom call. And you will get 5 make and takes. If you choose B option, that means in the mail, you'll get all these supplies in the mail, including your make and takes. If you choose the A option, you have the option of 3 classes. One is Tuesday evening, the 7th, at I think 6:30 p.m. The second one is Wednesday afternoon at 1:30 p.m. And the third one is Thursday morning at 10:30 a.m. So you can choose from any of those. I have spread them out so that we can keep the groups small. I can clean in between and make sure things stay very clean for everybody. So I'm really excited. Those in-person events will be for the make and takes. You will get to see all of my new catalog products and projects that I have made. There will be displays, everywhere. If you are not doing this in person, during the Zoom call, I'm going to try to show as many of the projects as I can so that you don't miss out on any of that. I want it to be good for either in-person or virtual people. So I'm really excited about this event. It is $30 for an in-person event, and if I need to mail it to you, it's $38. That barely will cover my cost of mailing, besides getting everything ready for you. So I've tried to pack it with value. It is so full of value that I can't even begin to tell you. I want to show you the projects really quickly, and I will have a tutorial for each of those so that you can easily put them together. Let me switch back here to my other screen, and I will show you the make and takes. This one's a little pull-out card. They're all so rich and gorgeous, if I must say so myself. There we go. So pretty. And then this one is a tucked Z fold. And it's a design I showed to my downline in our Facebook Live the other night. Or our Zoom call, I guess I should say. Okay, so that's what it is in a nutshell. You just have a few days yet to sign up. So I hope that you will hop onto your email, look for your email, or email me from here and just let me know that you want more information or you want to join the class. Oh, I wanted to say too, there's other bingo games that you can be qualified for. The third bingo game you can qualify for by being one of the first 15 people to sign up. And it's getting really close to that, I will tell you right now. The second option is you can earn by having purchased $150 or more from me during Celebration. And for my downline, there's options for them as well. So I tried to make it fun. I guarantee you the games of bingo will be worth your while. Plus, we'll have door prizes throughout the event. So, okay, thanks for joining me. Take care. God bless.